Look at these videos. Cinematic, realistic, and ready to use. You'd think this was shot in a professional studio, but it wasn't. I created all of this using Renoise AI, and I'll show you exactly how. Not just one video, you can generate up to 100 creatives in just minutes using a single image with different styles and even full product ads. If you run ads or create content, this can completely change your workflow. So what is Renoise? Renoise is an AI-powered video generation platform that works inside tools like Claude Code, Codex, and Cowork. Or you can use its desktop app. Instead of editing manually, you just tell the AI what you want, and it creates the video for you. Now, let's see how it works. First, go to the Renoise AI website. I'll provide the link in the description so you can come here directly. After coming here, you need to download the app on your desktop. Once it's downloaded, install it. It's a very easy process. I've already done it, so I won't download it again. After downloading, simply open the app. As soon as you open it, it will ask you to log in or sign up. You can log in with any of your accounts. So I'll log in. So after logging in, you'll see an interface like this. Here you'll see an option for open folder. You simply need to click on it and choose where you want to save your project. I'll just save it here. After saving, you'll see an interface like this. This is the main interface. Everything will happen here. All your images and videos will be generated here. This is a very powerful interface, so don't take it lightly. Now you'll see a chat box at the bottom. If you click on the model option, you can see that we have Claude, Gemini, Flash, and many other models available. So what is this? These are chatbots that help you. Just like you normally chat with an LLM for prompts and ideas, you can do the same here and also generate images and videos. Basically, powerful chatbots are already built into this tool. Now I'll just type something simple. Hi, how are you? And see what reply it gives. Finally, we got the reply. It says, "Hi there, I am doing great. Ready to help you create some amazing videos." As you can see, you can share any idea with it, and it will create videos for you. You can also generate videos using prompts, reference images, or anything by sharing your idea, just like you normally talk to ChatGPT. But for now, I'll generate a video using prompts as an example. To generate a video, you don't have to do much. Simply go to the prompt box and enter your prompt or idea, whatever kind of video you want. Just tell it clearly what you need. After entering the prompt, press enter. Within a few seconds, the AI agent will analyze everything and start generating your video. And within 1 to 2 minutes, your video will be ready. So now our video is ready. Once it's ready, you can click on download or watch to view and download your video. I'll click and check the result. And look at the result. The video looks amazing. The quality is great and everything looks very realistic. And we did all of this using just one tool so easily. Honestly, I didn't think this would be possible. This tool is really powerful. I'm already impressed with the first video, but let's try something even better and more advanced. So for that, let's go back. Now we're going to create a product video using our model. So for that first, we'll upload the product image and a model image as well. You can use any model image you want to create the ad. After that, you just need to enter your prompt. Once you've entered the prompt, press enter. As soon as you press enter, the AI agent will analyze everything and start generating the video. As you can see, it has started analyzing everything, and within a few seconds, it will prepare our video. Now, let's check this video as well. As you can see, this video looks even better and more realistic than the previous one. It looks like it was shot in a professional studio. The results from this software are really impressive. Just like that, you can generate images with your model and ad creatives in just one click, without wasting a lot of money. Just tell the agent and it will do it for you. So this software is really amazing, but things don't end here. Let's try one more thing by generating another video. This time, we'll create product ad creatives. For that, you simply need to upload your product. After that, paste your prompt and press enter. The agent will again analyze everything and generate your video and images in a short time. I've generated only 5 images right now just to show you as an example, but you can generate as many as you want, even up to 100 AI ad creatives creatives in just 10 minutes. It can handle multiple things at once, which is very powerful. It can generate multiple videos as well as images at the same time. You just need to give it the prompt or instructions, and it will handle everything. Now let's check the generated images one by one. As you can see, the quality is very detailed, and everything looks highly realistic. All images have great detail, and the quality is excellent. So now let's create one more thing, which is a single product ad. We'll create another ad for the headphones. What we'll do is simply add the product again as a reference. After adding the reference, we'll paste our prompt and press enter. The agent will analyze everything again, and within a few seconds, our ad will be ready. Now, let's see its result. Wow, this one is even better. And all of this is possible because Renoise is built on the Seedance 2.0 model, the world's most advanced video generation engine. The industry average usability rate is only 20%, but Renoise is 90%. That means 90% of your generated videos are directly ready to use, no editing needed. And think about it, if you get this work done from a traditional agency, one video costs $200 to $500 and takes 1 to 2 weeks. But with Renoise, just a few dollars and 100 creatives are ready in 10 minutes. So this tool is extremely powerful. You should definitely use it. If you want to create product ads, cinematic videos, Amazon listing, everything with AI, then try Renoise AI right now. The link is in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below telling me what you created with Renoise. See you in the next video. Until then, keep creating.